What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing this video on how I did these twists in my hair. It's been a lot of debate on if they're passion twists or if they're both. I don't know what they are. I like to call them passion twists, but I use Bohemian hair, so really they're just twists, and I think they look pretty great. I've had them in for about 2 weeks, so if you keep watching in this video, I'm actually going to show you the 2 different methods that I ended up using in my hair. It took me approximately 6.5, somewhere between 6.5 to 7.5 hours. The longest part for me was actually parting my hair. So I'll show you like the parts in the back. Actually, I'm gonna just enter in a video right here because I definitely started recording it and I was like, I need to focus. So yeah, I'm gonna play it right here. Entire head. The hardest part of doing the twist wasn't even actually doing the twist. It was really like parting my hair, having to use a mirror. I had like 3 mirrors around me trying to like make sure the parts were straight. I'm gonna tag I'm gonna tag in the description box one of the methods that I started using as of recently from a different YouTuber. I love her braiding method, the whole method behind parting the hair and then putting the edge control where it is. It definitely helped me control the parts, especially because I did it on like day 1 hair. So it wasn't like freshly washed. I mean, it was still fresh, but it wasn't like already wet. It was like dry hair. So me having to deal with dry hair and combing it out through that whole process. And yeah, the twist took some time, but like you're gonna see how fast I did this video, like how fast I'm gonna do those actual twists. That didn't take any time. It was really just the parting and twisting it all the way to the ends. And it's not braids, so you can't just do it a little bit and then think you're gonna be done. It doesn't work like that. That's it, really. That's it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you the 2 different methods that I use to put the twist in my head. I did a whole bunch of searching on YouTube and I tried my best to try different methods, and I ended up having to switch and do one method that I was so against, which is the rubber band method. Mainly because rubber bands, they break your hair off if you have them for a long time, and then product build up around the rubber band. I really didn't want to do that, but I kind of didn't have a choice. The majority of my head, about like 85% of the twist in my head, I did crochet. So I'm going to show you where I braid it down just a little bit, then crochet the hair in, and then I actually divide the hair up, and then I was twisting all the way down. Well, I did that in the front where you see these, and like they were slipping out. Like by day 2, they were like barely holding on. I was like, Lord, I'm gonna lose a braid while I'm at work when these little twists gonna fall out. So I actually went through and I did the rubber band method with this one, these 2, the ones that's lined up around this side, and then these 2, and then the one you're gonna see me do right here. And I think I did like 1 up here in the rubber band as well. But the rest of them, they're holding strong. They're not about to fall out. I put them up in a bun. Like I said in the beginning, like this has been 2 weeks worth of old hair. It's really just because the front of my hair is a little bit softer than the back of my hair. The texture is too fine. It won't hold. But the products that I use this as the base, and then I use this to moisturize my hair. And I did this for every single section. And then and once I finished with all of the twists, I ended up going through I did the olive oil, is Wrap and Shine, Hold and Shine Wrap Setting Mousse. And it's infused with coconut and then for restorative shine. So this actually kept my twist looking bomb for the first 2 weeks. And then the most important thing, which y'all care about the most, is the type of hair that I use, which was the FreeTress Bohemian Braid. This is 1B. I used 6 packs total. No, I bought 6 packs and I ended up only using 5.5. I bought 4 packs and 1B, so that's the darker color that you see, and then the lighter color that you see is 30. I bought 2 packs of those, and I still have like half a pack left of the other hair. And for each one of the braids, so I'll show you because I have more of this hair left. I really wanted the water wave hair. I'll tell you that. I've seen how it looked on other people's hair. I really wanted that, and I couldn't find it anywhere I went. I went to like 5 different beauty supply stores, and I'm kind of funny about ordering hair online. So I really wanted to go in and fill the hair, and when I saw the Bohemian curl, I was like, I think I'm gonna try to make this work. But this is what it looks like. It almost looked like Jerry curl here, right? But you see how it's already separating on its own? This is like perfect. It's already like separating. For each last one of the twists that I have in my hair, which I don't know off the top of my head, but I'll put how many twists I have in my hair in the description box for those who are going to ask. I know someone is going to ask how many do I have in my head. I separated 4 of these. And it separates real easy. That's a bad example. But these are the 4, and then once I crocheted in, each single side will have 4 as well. And I did that for all of the twists, and so that way they would have the same like thickness, and I didn't have to worry about one looking clunkier than the other. But with that said, I'm gonna actually just show y'all how I did these twists.